Hi everyone, in this video we are gonna discuss visual acuity and color vision certificate for the RRB ALP aspirants. Okay, for RRB ALP. Okay, so there are two certificates you have to carry along with you. Okay, so you have to submit these two certificates in the exam center. Okay, the first one is medical certificate. Okay, which is given by the um, eye specialist. Okay, and the second one is self-declaration. Okay, in the first certificate, you have to fill the name here. Okay, name of the candidate here, and you have to paste the photo. Okay, passport size photo you have to paste here, and signature of the candidate. Okay, and one more thing I have to mention here is the assistation of the doctor must come some portion outside and remaining on the photo of yours. Okay, so it has to come like this. Okay, if they stamp the seal here, then that's the extra benefit. Okay, and they will specify the result here. Okay, the doctor's gonna fill the field here. Okay, here you have to mention your name. Okay, strike out the other categories. Okay, if you are male, uh, strike off the remaining two. Okay, SMT and KM. Okay, and here one more thing, you have to strike out that does not confirm. Okay, if the doctor's not gonna strike out, you have to strike out this. Okay, okay, and here the name of the specialist. Okay, and the registration number must be there here. Okay, so whether it's a government doctor or a private doctor, no matters, but he must have a registration number. Okay, and place and date, signature and seal they are gonna fill. Okay, and here in the self-declaration form, you have to enter your name. Okay, and son of, here your father name. Okay, and the resident means address. Okay, and place where are you from. Okay, and keep this field blank. Okay, if they want the date of the exam here, so better to write the date on exam. Okay, so signature of yours and name, RRB registration number. Okay, it will be available in the website. Okay, so make sure of these things. Okay, so these are the tests you have to qualify in the eye examination. Okay, first one is the distance test. Okay, so the given distance is 6 by 6. Okay, and the color test. Okay, and the acuity test is okay. Health of the eye they're gonna check. Okay, if you have a sight any defects they will gonna mention. Okay, and the last one is the field test. Okay, so here you can see here in the monitor you will observe some round field, right? So you have to see the see with one eye. Okay, in one eye is closed. Okay, with the one eye they are gonna test your field of the vision. Okay, so and at the center there is a one red light is there, so we have to focus on that. Meanwhile, some green color lights blink on, okay, around the field, okay, not all at once, okay, one by one they're gonna blink, okay. Suppose if it is blink here, you have to click the button, okay. Based on the clicking, they're gonna give you the test result, okay. So that's the test, okay, field test. And this is the example of the medical certificate, okay, from the eye specialist, okay. So you can see here see registration is done, okay, and seal also there, okay. Here the candidate's signature must be there, okay. They fill the details here 6 by 6, okay, without glasses, and here actual observations are normal, okay, and the last one is binocular vision and field vision. Field vision we have discussed that, right? So everything normal for this candidate, okay. So they're gonna enter their name, okay, specialist name. Here you can see this is the registration number. You can observe the stamp seal also has the same registration number here, right? So everything will be clear with this candidate, okay? So make sure about the SEN number, okay? So this is 2024. If you are gonna qualify for the next 2025 examination, you have to carry that certificate, okay? For these exams, so 2024 is mandatory, okay? So if you're not carrying that, they won't allow you, okay. Please make sure about it. And this is the field test result, okay. So one red light is at the middle, okay. Some green lights are blinking randomly one by one, okay. You have to press the buttons, okay. Okay, based on the field result you will get the eye test results, okay. So these are the results of the field test, okay. So this is the final result, okay. So this candidate has everything normal, okay, left eye and right eye, okay. This is how the format they are gonna give. This is not necessary for the exam, but for the future references, you have to keep it, okay. So this is the bill he got. So 300 for general thing, okay, appointment, okay, and he charged around 1,000 rupees for the visual field analysis test, okay, for both eyes, okay. Actual cost is 1,200, 200 discount given, okay. So the place is Rajahmundry, okay, Andhra Pradesh, okay. So prices may gonna vary, but so it's around I think 1,000 to 1,500 range, okay. So better keep the certificates safe, okay, for the future purposes, okay. Thank you.